don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans at the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa 0. I'm joined by the only Kaizer Chiefs fan that speaks football.
Grootman is Thibo.
Njaka.
Braga. Waitsi sometimes ine. Loka ba motho wa mona, wa ba motho wa mona. Mo ho mo wa tlhoka hore o no amohela moyo wa modimo. Grootman compliment, credit, congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
King of the nation.
Yeah.
King of the nation.
Yeah.
Grootman, when a champ, not only champ with the capital letters.
Yeah.
Grootman, look at what Mamelodi Sundowns they've done. 27 game, 70 points. I think it's a 62 goals. Yeah, 62 goals. So if look at the goal tse le Sundowns di korile, one tlhalwanya. So I will say the two games tse Sundowns di dletseng. Mamelodi Sundowns, they are working overtime. Listen here, Steve. Mamelodi Sundowns, they are working overtime to make things more easier for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
For top 8.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ba win Golden Arrows, ba shapile Chippa.
Yeah.
Ke di team tse ke lebeletse re di tlo disturb ka mo morao.
Go top 8.
Credit must go to Mamelodi Sundowns. They are doing everything that they can in terms of us. One row and one row. Amara ke bua nnete. Hey ke be Sundowns to lose di game tsele or e draw ile di game tsele. No ro reng ka Chiefs.
No tla bolimetse.
Ntwe setseng ke gore Chiefs must do it on their own now.
Yeah.
Sundowns, they've made it life easier for us. And congratulations for them to do that. Why can't you give them their trophy already? No, Sundowns must go to their room and clean that room and prepare that room because of the big cup is coming there.
Yeah.
Look at 8 times in a row. Yeah. Ever in the past 15 years, Grootman, in the past 15 years, I guess when team it's a couple 8 times in a row.
Never seen it.
Ke Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sounds fair.
Ribeiro's FC.
Ribeiro?
Mamelodi Sundowns, it's now Ribeiro's FC. It's no longer Mamelodi Sundowns.
Zero cost.
That guy is a marvelous.
Yeah.
It's more than the credit word. So let's respect. Yeah, munno le tlamehile re mo tlhompe. Ne bua even le Cardoso. Cardoso is a coach. You can save this clip. Yeah. He's the coach of season. Cardoso. Okay.
We are a product.
Okay. No, it's okay.
No, guys, 2 minutes.
Okay,
No, guys, 2 minutes.
You are welcome to the stage. Yeah. I'm gonna repeat.
Yeah.
I'm gonna repeat.
Yeah.
Coach Cardoso is the coach of the season.
How?
Okay. I'm fair is no way ahana statement. Okay. Na re go botsa what? Okay. Na re go botsa number 1. Ne? Sundowns inka league. Mo matsohong a mang a gae.
Pirates.
And no, okay, Cardoso o tsere how many points go Pirates?
3.
Okay, o tsere 3.
Mo wena ngile
No, let us
no. He asked the question.
No.
Go person ngile 3. Go yena ngile tseka Cardoso.
Okay.
6.
Okay, a re resone ro counter di stats ra ira dilo tsohle. Ne? But at the end of the day, after counting the stat, I'm not going to change what I'm saying.
Okay.
Just come back after the award.
But
Cardoso is going to be no. You know, nya gore Rivero na mele flight from Egypt. Atwetse. Cardoso ke coach of the season. Number 1. Number 2, o lebelle hore ko Sundowns go ya di award tse kae. Top goal scorer, Reiners. Top top goal scorer of the season, Reyners.
Yeah.
Player of the season, yes, I can give it to Relay William Ofukeng. Ne? And the football player of the season, king of the nation, Mwana Badimo, the only one, jersey number 10, Ribeiro,
Yeah.
Beros. Emanya.
Nekere Roach Vaviro.
I rang. Yeah, hey, something is wrong.
Red card. Yeah, but anyway, let us carry on. Let us carry on, Steve. Sundowns this team is ready for CAF final. I can tell you that this team is ready for Club World Cup. Ne? For us, we just have to say, okay, why can't we do it? Because of Mamelodi Sundowns is there. We join the party. We also go to put the number to represent the country. Okay, go Club World Cup, go the cafe. One talone. Iskaba yona ili one rang. A dominating Africa. Why I'm saying that even the teams of the North Africa, they are now starting to steal our football. Style of football. North Africa, why to no? That's why Okonobana ki coach tseka this season. Tse di tswang ka mo Mzansi. Di o coach abo Yanga as far or maybe one tlhaloganya no ba tsere le Riviera. Hona le coach le tsamaileng ya TS Galaxy. Ke di player tseka tse di tsamaileng mo hae mo. Di a dlala kontle. Ke Mokwena or ke mang? Mokone. Elias Mukwane, re tshwere bo mang bo Locho, bo Mayo, one talwan, Melula, one talwan, ke batho ba tla mo kae mo hae ba ya go Africa. One talwan, lady coach street tsa mo hae, it's a numbers. So those people they start to see or no man, South Africa is growing. Why can't we change the style of play? Then we play like them. To play like them, what we need to do, we take what they're using, we come here, we build our own. So football in South Africa, it's grown, and we need to give credit in terms of that. Steve, why I'm saying this? Look at Bafana or qualify, you know. Re palla le bo Nigeria, re palla le bo Egypt, bo ingeng. Look at under 20 no ya bo Mshabalala, bo Vilakazi. Look at Rikokai semi-final. That shows where our football is going somewhere. We need to give hand for that. Look at what Mokwena Hortman like Sundowns a rotator squad. I've learned something about rotating the squad. It's so very important to rotate the squad in terms of when you get the injury. Maybe if you can lose 2 players or 1 player or they replace Sabian. Because you don't have someone who fit that position. For in terms of to be safe, you rotate them. Then O'Connor Oskaluza first lineup because of you can change all formation because of 2 or 3 people on the first lineup. But anyway, credit goes to Mamelodi Sundowns. They've worked very hard. They deserve these things. They've lost only 1 game, 3 game, and draw 1 game more this season. So for them, it's a credit. Only thing that I just want to wish, it's a good luck for Kaizer Chiefs going to Saturday against Sekhukhune. It's a very big game, more than a final game. Game Galalis Sekhukhune, very important, more than final. Both remaining 2 games. Foreigner, they would talk of everything. I can't say there's Kaizer Chiefs fan. We don't care at top 8. Reshap or Nedbank. That mind, it's wrong. Red card today. Why I'm saying this? If we say we are fine M10-8, it's -1 cup next season. Why we have to say -1 cup before we go and compete? It's so important to go. Kaizer Chiefs is a big team, Steve. They deserve to play each and every game. Each and every competition. Like top 8, Nedbank, every cup game, they have to be there. So if we say, no, we don't care about the remaining 2 games for top 8, it's impossible. We want to qualify. We want to go and play there. So man of the match today, it's difficult. Remember Sundowns, they are celebrating. Right now, I don't know if the fairness of Sundowns, if coach. No, I'll give the credit a man of the match Coach Kados. Reason why Steve, we say Afika Momzanzi. ha breaker record ya Sundowns down we wa tlhaloganya so he nkebe le coach engwe he nkebe e fitlhile ya dropa di game nyana tse ding a sanya ka who pick up a standard but o fitlhile a joina ona mo Sundowns le moteng a continue le yona wa tlhaloganya so team like Mamelodi Sundowns Grootman ke tlhobolela kwa yeah ke le skipper neng ka stlhobola
Sense.
just to show the respect
Sense.
ke sentse yeah Timo yeah Timo say why wanna Timo so Grootman Mamelodi Sundowns, this is the last message that I want to say to Mamelodi Sundowns fan. Ne? Yeah. Mamelodi Sundowns is doing well from technical team management, president, everyone, players, every department. Ne? Ba fela ki di supporters of Mamelodi Sundowns. They are not traveling to the stadium. Yeah. That's why they end up selling tickets so cheap so then people they can go and fill up the stadium. Yeah. Why I'm saying this, Tibo? Mamelodi Sundowns in a little fairness or di ka tlatsa Loftus Morepe. Loftus Fairfield. Yeah. Yeah. Se ka tlala stadium sale us as a Kaizer Chiefs we travel o ka utlwa ba re motho tla Eastern Cape o tla Cape Town o ya batla mo FNB. Why can't you travel because of you go to celebrate your trophy on Sunday? Why can't you go to fill up a Loftus? Ka di fans tsa Sundowns to fail. Sundowns ka utlwa ba re ke 57 fans but they can fill up that stadium. They have numbers, they have fan base. They think or fan base ya Sundowns is not traveling. And the Sundowns in the support ya bona mo di gaming. They must start to attend games. Stivo ke countile bona o ska tswa la camera sorry. Ke countile di play of the season, coach of the season, top goal of the season, aka counter presenter of the season. Presenter of the season, the only man. No.
If I lost his kupu.
Utlwa wena. O ka ba countable botlhe. The only one. The only one. You know Mus.
Tivo.
Yes! Yeah! Tivo, you deserve my brother. They must nominate you. They must nominate you. I'm telling you. Ever you already the president of the year, lady player of the year, coach of the year, what. I want to see in the house. There's no one even who match your level right now.